love it.
Okay.
Ready?
There you go. Sorry.
That's okay, you can finish it. Yeah, let's go acapella.
Go ahead.
Okay. Start again. Okay, I'm not starting again. Second verse, acapella. Okay, ready? Okay.
I marvel that he would descend from his throne divine to rescue a soul so rebellious and proud as mine, that he should extend his great love unto such as I, sufficient to own, to redeem, and to justify. Oh, it is wonderful that he should care for me enough to die.